Early learning fun. Hey kids, are you ready to learn about the animals that live in the glaciers? Earth, our planet, is one big sphere that has two poles that are covered with ice, the North and the South Pole. Let's travel to the North Pole, where the Arctic is, and let's see some of the animals that live there. The moose. The moose is a deer with really big antlers. What color is the moose? The moose is brown. The beluga whale. What color is the beluga whale? The beluga whale is white. The musk ox. What color is the musk ox? The musk ox is brown. The Arctic wolf. What color is the Arctic wolf? The Arctic wolf is white. The walrus. What color is the walrus? The walrus is either brown or gray. The husky. The husky is a dog that lives in frozen regions. What color is the husky? The husky is white and gray. The puffin. The puffin is a bird with an orange beak. It's also called parrot of the sea or sea clown. What color is the puffin? The puffin is white and black and has an orange beak. The narwhal whale. The narwhal whale has a large tooth on its face. What color is the narwhal whale? The narwhal whale is gray and white. Great! Now let's look at all the animals we learned. The moose. Your turn. The beluga whale. Your turn. The musk ox. Your turn. The Arctic wolf. Your turn. The walrus. Your turn. The husky. Your turn. The puffin. Your turn. The narwhal whale. Your turn. Well done, kids! Next time, we will learn about other animals that live in the poles. Bye, kids!